Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to share how you can make AI work for you as an entrepreneur using ChatGPT. In this guide, we'll cover practical strategies to automate customer support, general compelling marketing content, streamline your daily tasks, and more, all with the help of ChatGPT. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive right in. Customer support can be one of the most time consuming tasks for any business, but with ChatGPT, you can automate many of the common inquiries that take up your team's time. Let me show you how easy it is to use ChatGPT for this. Now, here is the prompt that I just posted. As you can see, I've just asked ChatGPT how it can help with automating customer inquiries for an e-commerce business. Now, in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide detailed suggestions on how to approach this, just as I send this prompt right now. There we go. The processes might take a while, but despite that, you can see the following suggestions. First, identify common inquiries right there. Second, create prompt templates. There's an example right here. There's each subtopic like order status and tracking, for instance. There's return and refund policies, product availability. Also has a prompt example. There's another one, automate responses using ChatGPT API. Then there's one here, test and fine-tune responses. And yep, the process is complete. Now, and here we go. So let's scroll back up and scroll down everything once again. As you can see, ChatGPT has outlined several great solutions, setting up responses or advices right here that can help you out with the customer service for frequently asked questions. Here we go. It can also do with handling order tracking requests and even providing product details and such. And so by implementing these strategies, you can offer 24/7 support without the need for a large customer service team. Pretty amazing, huh? See? Much details that can help, and there we go. Marketing can often feel like a full-time job on its own. But what if you could use AI like ChatGPT to help you craft social media posts, blogs, and even email campaigns? That's where, like I said, ChatGPT comes in. Let me show you just how powerful it can be for generating marketing content. Now, so based on the prompt that I put together right here, voila, right? So I am going to ask ChatGPT to create a social media post for a new product launch. So this is a great way to streamline your content creation while keeping the message on brand. Now, let's see what it comes up with. All right, so here's what it processed with the social media post. Here's the hashtags, and wow. So you can see ChatGPT generated a quite catchy, engaging post that's perfect for announcing a product launch. So notice how it keeps the tone professional but still exciting. See? You can tweak it to match your brand's voice and even use it as a template for future posts. And this is just the start, that is. You can also use it to draft blog articles, email campaigns, and more, all in a matter of seconds. The possibilities are endless, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Running a business means you're always juggling administrative tasks like emails, meetings, or reports. But what if I told you that ChatGPT can help you save time by handling some of these tasks for you? Let me show you how it works with a simple example. A prompt, that is, drafting a professional email, for instance. Right here. So it's the prompt. So I am now asking ChatGPT through this prompt to draft a professional email for a potential business partner. This is something entrepreneurs have to do regularly. And ChatGPT can save you a lot of time by quickly generating well worded emails. Let's see what it comes up with this. As you can see, as it currently processes right here, the subject, and here's the main body, the letter that is a message to your potential business partner. Best regards. And here we go. Now, look at that. ChatGPT has generated a clear and professional email covering all the important points, like introducing your business, like this, your company. There's expressing your interest. Yeah, like I am impressed by your innovations. You brought your industry right there and suggesting next steps right here. And yeah, you can adjust the tone or specifics if needed, but this gives you a strong starting point. Whether it's email drafting, scheduling meetings, or creating reports, ChatGPT helps streamline these administrative tasks so you can focus on growing your business. See? Innovation is at the heart of any successful business. Whether you're creating a new product or enhancing an existing one, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Luckily, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and refine ideas for product development. Let's see how it can generate fresh ideas for, let's say, let's go paste my prompt, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to suggest ideas for some new features for a mobile app, by the way. So, this is a great way to explore creative ideas that might not have crossed your mind yet. Now, let's see what unique suggestions ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so here are the following that ChatGPT had listed down so far. So here it is. I guess I could go with offline mode right there. Pretty impressive. Custom notifications. One here is gamification, augmented reality features. All right. Impressive, I must say. Now let's go down once more. So, ChatGPT, as you can see, has provided several interesting feature ideas that could take the app to the next level. Some of these might be perfect for enhancing user experience, while others could help differentiate your app from competitors. And beyond brainstorming, ChatGPT can also analyze customer feedback to identify areas for improvement or help track market trends so you can make informed decisions. Impressive, I must say, ChatGPT. See, these can help you out when you're developing your own mobile app. See? Managing finances can be one of the most challenging aspects of running a business, but it's crucial to keep everything on track. The good news is that ChatGPT can help you streamline financial planning and management. Now, let me show you right here. Now, here's the prompt that I crafted together. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to draft a budget plan for the upcoming quarter, for my business running, that is. This can be super helpful for breaking down expenses, allocating funds, and making sure you're prepared financially for the months ahead. Now let's see what ChatGPT suggests. All right, Here it is. This is what ChatGPT had come up with, starting with revenue forecast. There's operating expenses with fixed costs and variable costs. Right here, capital expenditure, contingency fund, profit margins, yada, yada, yada. And wow, look at that. ChatGPT has indeed outlined a detailed budget plan with key expense category right here, like revenue forecast right here, operating expenses. There's also capital expenditure and the rest right here. And yeah, so, and beyond just budgeting, ChatGPT can also help generate financial summaries and projections, making it easy to spot where you might need to cut costs or reallocate resources. And there you have it. From automating customer support to improving your financial management, ChatGPT is an invaluable tool for today's entrepreneurs.